Nice one. So basically I'm just back in the kitchen with another one. All right, beautiful one. I'm gonna give you a recipe where you guys definitely gonna be loving. It's gonna be a healthy smoothie. So we're gonna be mixing some pineapple. All right, we got some chunky pineapple right here. We're gonna make a beautiful smoothie. So we got pineapple. All right, but look at this pineapple. But look at this recipe, which I'm gonna share with you guys this evening, and it's gonna be super nice and also delicious. All right, and not only that, very good for weight loss and also detoxing of the body. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a nice lovely tablespoon of sea moss. All right, so we got the sea moss. All right, and then we're gonna be adding some of your favorite guys. Every one of us do like our avocado. All right, so we're gonna add some avocado right here. All right, lovely. That is beautiful. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of ginger. Not much. Just gonna keep it super easy and simple and also delicious. All right, yeah. Then what we're gonna do next, we're just gonna add a little bit of liquid to it, not too much, a little bit of water. And then we're gonna take it to the blend. All right, that's gonna be lovely, guys. I know you guys definitely gonna love this one. So we're gonna make some nice. Let's take it to the blend. Wow. Now, all right. I'm gonna, oh, this is hard for open. Ah, all right. Now, look at this beautiful smoothie, and not only that, very healthy and delicious. All right. So if you like this one, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. All right. Have a beautiful one, and I'll see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye for now.